Widerstandsfähigkeit, Transparenz,
transparency,
Ästhetik.
aesthetics.
Aus Glas
Suddenly, everything has to move fast. And that's where we have experts on our side, like Xometry.
Glaskeil is a traditional plastics and glass processor. With us, you can get everything from a simple cut to complete solutions for private users and for other industries. We make things for wind power energy, but also for soundproof cabinet construction, all the way to other industries in the leisure sector, like yacht building and caravans.
Glaskeil.
And anything you could need made from glass and plastic, we can produce it.
Both materials are very unforgiving. One small mistake, one scratch, and it can mean we have to throw the component away and start all over again.
Glass and plastic, those are the strengths we specialize in. All the other materials out there, like metal and aluminum, we can't process them with our machines. They just aren't designed for it. So we looked around, and that's how we ended up finding Xometry. We started using target price orders right away.
You can just drag and drop your component to upload it, add the corresponding drawing, you can choose the materials and specify the quantity. And then you usually get a response within 2 days. It doesn't take long before we're happy with our component and our price. Because we are, I believe, true glass and plastics professionals. When I see polished edges, I take a close look. And if it's well polished, then I think it's great. And without a partner like Xometry, you just have to admit you always run into situations where, yes, you're left high and dry, delivery times are too long, and Xometry is quite simply more reliable, faster and more reliable.
Since we've been a Xometry customer, we have to worry less about the individual components. We can keep our eye on the big picture. We know that our individual components are on their way. Xometry handles it for us flawlessly. And then, when the parts arrive, we're happy, and we use them right away for our products.
Since we've been a Xometry customer, we have to worry less about the individual components. We can keep our eye on the big picture. We know that our individual components are on their way. Xometry handles it for us flawlessly. We can rely on them with confidence and concentrate fully on the big picture. And then when the parts arrive, we're happy and we use them right away for our products, and we can successfully complete our projects.